Hi, my name is Roberto Garcia. I'm the owner of Experimac La Mesa in San Diego, California. Welcome to my business. The first thing that you're going to be experiencing in Experimac is that somebody's going to be welcoming you. I have been in the customer services area for more than 20 years, and I want to explode that and provide the best customer services for owners of Apple equipment. It's very important not to oversell, just to provide what the customer needs and an affordable prices. We do repairs on computers, on iPads, on iPhones. We can do memory upgrade, hard drive upgrade, software upgrades. We clean spam, viruses, trading also for equipment, and selling and purchasing equipment. We also offer different options for customers that have, for example, a damaged computer. We can repair the computer, or we can give some value to the customer so they can use that value to buy another computer. There is not too small or too big job for us. We can work for personal computers, and we can work with small businesses, middle-sized or big businesses. We actually have some very good packages of services that we can offer to schools. We also offer extended warranty for a total peace of mind, and also accidental warranty. So we can even cover some accidentals that may happen on their equipment. An owner of an Apple equipment can do whatever they want at one-stop shop. They don't have to go around several places. With my experience in customer services for more than 20 years, I know that it is very important to provide the right service that the customer needs at the right moment.